Hey there, if you have an iPhone, today I'm going to show you in this video how you can send photos as documents through WhatsApp. So, if you have ever sent or wish to send photos as documents to someone, then you must watch this step-by-step guide. If you don't, your iPhone storage might get filled up. Now let's see how this is done. You must select the photo you wish to send. Let's say I have these photos. I want to send them as documents. Firstly, you need to select them. When you click on it, you get an option to select. Just click on it and choose the photos you want to send. After selecting them, you see there's a share option. You have to click on it. You need to scroll down and there you'll find an option for only 25. Click on that. You have to make a new folder in your file manager or wherever you want it. Here, I have selected a location in the pic folder. I'll save these photos in a document within this folder. Here's the shop option. I have clicked on 100. The photos from my gallery have moved to the file manager and have been saved there. Now, you have to open your WhatsApp and choose the person to whom you want to send these photos as a document. Search for that contact here. So, I plan to send it in this chat. So, here's this chat open on my WhatsApp. Now, to send photos as documents to someone, I click on the plus option. Now here, I have to select document. And look, your photo appears in the recent option. You can open it from there and send this photo. If the photos are not showing here, then you have to click on browse and then on my iPhone option. Then you have to select the folder in which you saved your photos. Also select the place where you've kept it. I had it in document. Now, right in front of you, I've selected all these four. Now click on open and on this preview photo to see which ones you're sending. Here, I've kept my WhatsApp open and you have the option to send. After clicking on it, you can see all four photos being sent as document. Here's the first one, the second one, and the third one. The fourth one has also been sent. So in this manner, you can send photos as documents from your iPhone. Now I'll give you a bonus tip I mentioned at the start. This photo that you've now sent as a document is stored in 3 places. If a photo is of 5 bytes, it has taken 20 bytes. Space in 3 places. The first one is in your gallery, then in your file manager. Thirdly, here in your WhatsApp, it has also taken space. If the photo has been received by the person, you can delete it from WhatsApp to free some storage. Otherwise, the iPhone storage gets filled pretty quickly. So, select it. See this delete option. Click on it and delete for me. Otherwise, it will also be deleted from the other person's phone who just received it. So this way, my storage is freed up and my iPhone storage is also increased. You should also delete from your file manager. Otherwise, it will keep taking space there. So here, you have to click on select and delete all 4 photos from here. So see, it is deleted and 1 remains. When you go back, click on browse. You'll see an option for recent deleted. Click on it and delete the remaining one too. Select it and then delete it by clicking on delete all. So in this way, when you send photos as documents, you can also save your iPhone as storage. And you can see your photos kept in the Photos app. And the photo you wanted to send to someone has already been sent to them. You can see the sent photo here in the other person's chat. This person can click on the photo to preview it. So, this is how you can send your photo as a document. And the second thing I told you, using that, you can also save your phone storage. I hope you guys liked this video. Like the channel and subscribe if you are new to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Take care.